What's up, everybody? Kings Elite back with another personal box break for Dallas 97 Nathan in the Breaker stream. Purchased the last 4 boxes of Fleer Showcase that we had for personal. So good luck, man. For which one? Like the Precious Metal Gem? The purple ones? Yeah, I think the purple ones are out of 5. I think those are the best ones. Because it goes red to 250 or 150, and then blue to 50, and then green to 10. And I think purple's to 5. Hopefully we can get a patch in one of these 4 boxes. There's 2 more boxes, but they're already tied into the promo, so... But hopefully we can get a patch or something nice. A purple PMG would be nice. Yeah, for sure. Alright, man. Puja Jarvie. Scoring King Joe Pavelski. Ovechkin. Jamie Benn, Red Glow. Patrick Waugh. Lundqvist, EX. Landeskog, Red Glow. TK Subban. Nice, Tyler Mott. Never seen one of these colored. So what is it? Blue Ice, right? Yeah, Blue Ice. 143 or 199. Yeah, I forgot about this. I do that. Oh. I didn't even see that there was a patch right there. There you go. 126 out of 135. Hot Prospects Auto Patch, Joel Eriksson Ek. Nice 3 color though. Well, you never know, man. There can still be a Matthews in here. I've seen more than 1 patches in a case too as well. Another Blue Ice. 79 of 99, Carey Price. Ivan Provorov, 276 of 499. Hot Gloves, Martin Brodeur. Usually, I remember these inserts used to sell really well too. They still might. Sebastian Aho. Patrick Kane. Nathan will put out for some platinum. Alright, next box. Oh, I did? Good catch, Sci-Fi. Either way, I'm still gonna ship it off. I was just separating them. Okay, dude, I didn't even hear that. Oh my god. Good thing the viewers watching this YouTube video cannot see the chat. Oh man. Boy. December 16th this year. What's up? You want an invite to the wedding or what? Braden Point. Scoring Kings. Steven Stamkos. Yeah, he's a wedding crasher probably. Jake Gensel, 3L3 of 599. Ooh, I think we got a nice one coming up. Hopefully it's a good player. Claude Giroux. Oh no, he's always mistake me. That was a green PMG. Larkin, EX. But that's a nice one though. That is a Hot Prospects autograph, white hot, 11 of 15, Christian Dvorak. Oh, there is a red PMG. Sergachev. 88 of 150. Let's get a purple PMG. That's what I want to see. Dylan Strome. 345 of 499. Oh, did they really? Kachuk. Taylor Hall. Marner. Quickie. And Altshuler. $4.99. A little extra autograph. Line. Oh, nice. We have a hot box. Lawson Krause to $4.99. So you got a Krause to 15 and a $4.99. Oh, nice. Timo Meier. 363 of 499. Timo. Take a rename. So, second box, not too bad. 4 autos, including a white hot and red PMG. 2 boxes to go. Oh, see? Got another patch in here. Can always be more than one. Shabbat, Pujajarvi, Red Glow Parise, Saka, Larkin, Kopi, Sebastian Aho, 352 of 599. Blue Ice Sergachev, 38 of 199. Schmaltz, Provorov EX. Buchnevich, Crosby, John Leclerc, 23 of 25, little buyback from 92-93 Fleer. Connor McDavid, Zetterberg, Burns Red Glow. Let's move those to the top. Red Point. And a Nick Schmaltz, 98 of 135. Fleur Showcase, Hot Prospects, Rookie Auto Patch for the Blackhawks. Oh. Base card stuck there. Alright, last box, man. Oh, the Calder Cup is still on? Oh, at least we watched some hockey. Stamkos EX. Marner. Planet Metal. Insert. Eriksson Ek. Hot Prospects Quads. 220 of 399. Barzell. Connect me. Tarasenko. Sundqvist. 201 of 499. Oh, it's 2-2 in the series? Nice. Are they at home or are they playing away? Nice. Asking you shall receive. A blue PMG of Patrick Line, a 10 of 50. That's nice. Would have been awesome if it was a purple, but blue's not too bad. Michael Kempney, Hot Prospects, to 399. And 2 base cards right there. Alright, man. All the inserts. Top loaded cards. Not too bad of a boxes, man. Blue PMG, couple autographs, couple patch autographs, Schmaltz, Blue Ice, Hot White, or White Hot to 15. Hot Box, Red PMG, Eriksson Ek patch, Matthews EX, Barzell, and a Red PMG of Goudreau. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Kings Elite got a mixer with Fleer Showcase in it as well. 2 boxes of Fleer Showcase, 2 boxes of Ice, 2 boxes of Portfolio, and 2 boxes of Hit Parade. You have a chance to get 2 jerseys. 1 Hit Parade with a signed photo, puck, and box, and then an extra jersey as well for $32.99. We're down to 17. See you guys.